Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping back by the channel. This is cryptoFOXXY. In this video, we're going to talk about Dogecoin and look at some technical indicators to see if we can figure out where Dogecoin price is headed in the next little while. It did clear a 900-day trend line, so that is something that we're going to take a look at as well. Before we get into it, though, please make sure you like the video, you're subscribed to the channel, and let's get into it here. All right, so Dogecoin is oh, wrong thing here. So Dogecoin price has broken out from the long and short-term descending resistance trend lines. Despite the breakout, the Doge price increase had stalled on November the 11th, where the price fell, or will it fall, sorry, or regain its footing from here? So it cleared a 900-day resistance trend line. The weekly time frames technical analysis shows the Dogecoin price breakout from a descending trend resistance trend line in October. The trend line had been in place for 900 days. After the breakout, Doge had reached a high of 8.2 cents before falling slightly. So after the breakout, the weekly relative strength index, the RSI, has moved above 50. So readings above 50 and upward trend suggests that bulls still have an advantage. So anything under 50 is also, it would be bearish, right? Movement above 50 is definitely a positive sign. So that is something noteworthy there. And on this chart here, you can see that this is the RSI indicator that is here. So it has moved above 50, which is the dotted line right there. So while the weekly time frame is decisively bullish, the daily chart casts doubt whether the upward movement will continue in the short term. The main reason for this is the daily RSI. So you can look at the RSI, but you can switch between time frames on your chart, and it can change the value of that, right? So during the most recent highs, the daily RSI has generated a bearish divergence. A bearish divergence occurs when a momentum decrease follows a price increase. It often leads to downward movements. Um, so if the Dogecoin price begins to fall, or the resistance level that we are looking at is about 6.7 cents, and so if Doge surpasses the November peak of 8.2 cents, it will indicate the conclusion of the correction, and a 24% rise towards the subsequent resistance level at 10 cents is anticipated. Now, 10 cents would also be a bit of a psychological number. A little bit of a sell off could occur at the 10-cent level because people, that's a value that people would put, on it. When you hit 10 cents, I'm going to, take some profits or something like that, right? So we can have a look here at the overall crypto market and see what it's doing, because this does take effect as well. If the overall market is not doing well, then Dogecoin could see negative effects from that as well. So we are down a little tiny bit today, down 1.41 trillion in the overall cryptocurrency market. Dogecoin is sitting here at number 9, and we're up very, very slightly on the 1 hour, down 2% on the 24-hour, and up slightly over 1% on the 7-day. So Dogecoin is still, it's just kind of sitting there waiting to see what's going on. We're going to get some volatility in the market this week due to some, uh, financial meetings and such that are going to be going on this week in the United States. We're going to get the CPI, PPE, all that good stuff. But yeah, we can see here. So the Dogecoin price is still a little bit, a little bit on a downward trend here. So we're going to wait and see what happens there. So you have your we have your support and your resistance levels. So that's what we could possibly be looking at in the short term. So that's what I got for you in this video. Things could be a bit volatile this week, but definitely we'll keep an eye on Dogecoin for you guys in the future. Thanks so much for tuning in again. Make sure you're like and subscribed, and have a great day.